something out, then maybe the text turns red.
Oh, currently in the password editing view controller, I'm making the if the user gets the confirmation wrong, I'm making the iPhone vibrate and display a little footer. Like section footers. They didn't match. Try again. No colors though. No.
Can you push it like a table footer with the message?
Put a what over?
Yeah. Well, no, that is the table footer. The
Right.
browsing.
Right. I mean, it doesn't mean I couldn't add more to it, but then the one downside of that is it's going to move that.
Yeah.
Well, if it's just one line, it shouldn't matter too much.
But it's not going to look that nice. What about...
I mean, I would almost say it...
Can we give you an icon of the fields that are generating an error, and you just make the phone vibrate, and you display the icon on the right
I could
at
probably
the end
do
of the
that.
cell?
Yeah, there's right view thing in the UI text field.
Yep. I could do that.
Okay. So
And
what kind of icon would you expect? Actually,
I
a
would think
triangle?
one of this.
Extra
Well, actually,
triangle
I
with
would
an
think a
exclamation mark.
circle with an
Or an arrow.
exclamation, like a red circle, perhaps with a white,
That's
exclamation.
too much, I
and
think. But a circle with an exclamation mark. Or
we need an icon, not something that looks like a button.
Yeah,
Oh,
something
that's
flat.
I think
So
something
we
like a
need-
glyph.
I think you have the caution sign.
yeah, the one that the
Yellow
triangle
with
and
the
a
exclamation.
Yep. Should we do that?
We have that. That'll be fine, I think.
I use that in one of my apps, or desktop though.
I have it.
But
yeah,
maybe
for
a
now,
glyph-
just throw like a 29 by 29 black square, and then
Sure.
call it the caution
Centered
king.
with the same distance to the right as
Yeah.
the label from to the
Sure.
left.
And then we'll just send you the graphic.
Okay, doke.
Cool, man.
What should the profile view look like when you're just browsing and not logged in?
File view.
The profile view.
Profile view.
Profile view. When you're
Do you have it there with you? Or actually,
when you're not logged in, just browsing,
you can't.
you can't. It's that tab is disabled.
Oh, not currently though.
There,
So,
there is not even a if you're not logged
Let
in.
me check if we actually can disable tabs, because I'm not sure we can.
You can. You can.
You
I've done it before.
You can also,
Oh.
even if it doesn't work, you can just lay an empty view over it so you can't click.
Yeah, currently I'm just displaying an empty view.
Yeah.
So totally
Yeah.
empty
I
profile
think,
and
yeah,
an empty
if
table.
you don't log in, it's the no wait. If you don't log in, you're just browsing.
Yeah.
You haven't created an account or you haven't logged in. We decided that everything is active, but when you click on it, instead of it going to its intended place, it brings up the login thing that says if you want to do that, you have
Okay,
to log in.
that needs code. And
So that just needs like, isn't that what wasn't that
that
the final?
needs there needs to be a tab view delegate to do that.
Because
the tab controller delegate.
that's just gonna be a generic modal.
Okay, so I'll need to pester him to know how I can bring up the
Like if
login
I'm not
window.
logged in and I see the add event button, I can click it, but that modal's gonna come up and say, hey, if you want to do that, you got
Poof.
and it has the login screen, so everything is still active. Yeah,
Okay.
because it entices them and gives them another reason to go ahead and sign up.
Let me see how can we disable
All right.
tabs.
These icons are gonna be.
Oh.
I don't know how fun they're gonna be.
It's
That if doing these icons is gonna be fun at all.
I don't think so.
No, I don't think so.
I'm just gonna save. I'm gonna finish the tab bar at the bottom, and then we could maybe go through some styles for the icons to see if there's actually something fast to do.
Okay. We need to knock out at least half of that list today.
Someone asked whether we are also Cocoa programmers,
Yeah.
and Jonathan said not really. Edit knows some. He believes it helps
Yeah,
communication
yeah.
and collaboration with devs. Good for him.
Hey man, we're not gonna have time to do his icon.
Let's start with the most important ones, the most generic ones, like meeting.
No.
Oh,
I'm not gonna have time. I'd love to do it, but that's gonna take a few hours. Like, you know it is, because we're gonna get started, and then we're gonna like it, and then we're gonna spend another half an hour on it, and then we're gonna get it better.
so what about
Let's
if we tell them that we're going to do it once this is over? You know?
I don't know. I mean, I'd like to, yeah, it's a lot of work. I'm gonna be lazy once this is over. I think I'm gonna take a vacation.
Yeah.